again in my channel. With me, Hika, and Hika is here. Today we will draw something from letter M. Prepare your draw tools and get ready with me.
Ready, go!
First, we draw a simple mouse. We draw a head and ears. Now the eyes, nose, and mouth. Add some whiskers. And then the body, include hands and legs. Next, the tail. Add a cheese in center of belly. We change the position of its hand to hold the cheese. Now, let's start coloring. The cute mouse is done. Now, we draw an easy moon. Just draw to circle with different sizes. The part of the line that merges on the top side is erased. Add some close eyes and smiling mouth. Color it. Now we will draw a cloud for the moon. Make eyes and mouth too. A cloud is done. Next is letter of M. Color it. M is done. Now add color of background. Add some stars too. And all is done. It's super easy. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. With me, Hika. And Hika is here. Bye-bye.